Well, hi there. I'm Kristen, and I'm with One Focus Property Management. And today, I'm taking the tour of 325 Percy Street in South Williamsport, Pennsylvania. This is a duplex home with 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and a lot of things that I'm sure you're going to love. So sit back and relax. I'm going to take you through this entire incredible place. And after I do that, don't you worry. I'm going to tell you how to make this home. So let's get cracking. So we are starting the tour outside today because I love showing off the cute neighborhoods our properties are in, and I want to make sure you can see the front of the property. So trash wise, if you're getting picked up here at the curb, you've got a great place to be able to put your trash can to keep it out of the way and keep it close to where you got to go. And then a great sidewalk that'll lead you to the backyard where the parking is, which we will cover when we get inside. You have a fantastic L-shaped porch, plenty of room to be able to put some kind of outdoor furniture and all that good stuff. Now we do have a little vestibule. This will let you into the living room, which we'll show you in just a moment. But I love that you can kind of help control your heat costs by closing this off and keeping that entry door closed. Plus you've got some great hooks to hang your coats and things when you come inside if you're coming into the front. Now we are currently in a beautiful space that would make a great dining room if you wanted something formal. Beautiful bay windows, lots of natural light, tall ceilings, and it leads you into this living room. I love that it's not closed off, but get this beautiful grand woodwork and kind of accent feature. There's that door I was talking about that leads in from that vestibule there. And then this would make a fantastic area to be able to put a nice couch love seat, wraparound couch, entertainment center. There's a lot of options here. Now we're going to come into the kitchen. If you don't need a formal dining room, we got you, boo. We have got plenty of space here for a table and chair set. You can also add a nice big hutch here. You can put a great little floating island. They have those cute little carts that have the wheels that you can kind of wheel it around for extra prep space. You have full-size appliances. I love the black. It really accents that space perfectly, and everything matches. You also have a great closet here. It's got a hang bar and a shelf. You could easily put a shelving unit in here and use this as a pantry for extra storage for yourself. Now, before I take you to the basement, I'm going to touch on this backyard. I love this little private porch space. It keeps it so that way you can use this however you want to. You can even sit some chairs up here to have some privacy. You've got your little off-street parking spaces right over on this side, about 2 cars you could get. And then you can see right over here, and I'll show you when we get to the basement, there is exterior access down into the basement. So if you're bringing your washer and dryer inside, you have a very easy way to do that so you don't have to take it in the house and then down these steps. Now here in the basement, this is not a finished space. However, she's a very nice space. Well lit, put together, clean, by the way. For unfinished, it's clean. You've got a little pedestal right there. You've got your little out area there for your dryer. And then you've got washer connections right here by the water heater. And there's that little door I was telling you about to make it easy to bring your laundry machines inside if you do that. Now we're going to go back upstairs because, baby, there is a lot to look at up there as well. So let's come back through this beautiful dining room, take a little peek at that gorgeous living room, and let's go right up the steps here. So coming up to the top of the steps, immediately greeted by your bathroom. It's got everything you need, your bathtub, your shower, toilet facilities, and if you're looking for a little storage, I'll get to that in just a moment. So in the smallest of the 3 bedrooms, as you can see, there is a closet for storage. And what I love about this bedroom is you have access to this fantastic space here. This is a lot of room. You can certainly put a bunch of furniture out here to be able to enjoy the outside, and it overlooks your backyard. We're going to come right up to the middle bedroom. which is just a bit bigger. This certainly, you could probably accommodate a queen size bed in here. I'd say a full, just to be giving a lot of floor space here, but I think you could certainly put a queen, and you have the bay windows up here, just like in the dining room. And then you've got a hang bar and a shelf in there. We're gonna come down the hallway here. Now the door is off the hinge right at the moment, but you have a great closet there. There is a light switch that turns this on. This would be a great place to store your extra towels, your toiletries, and things like that that you don't need in the bathroom. And finally, we are coming up to the master bedroom. You could certainly do probably a queen, maybe a king. And then you have a nice large closet for storage. Well, what do you think? It's cozy, it's cute, it's got everything that you're looking for. So what you need to do to call this place home is go to our website at www.onefocuspm.com. You can look at the listing with all the information about the property, you can book your tour, and you can even submit that application. If you'd like to talk to a live person today, give us a call at the office at 570-505-3347. At One Focus Property Management, we love helping people just like you find that next place that they're calling home. So get on the website, give us a call today, because no matter what you do, I am going to be chomping at the bit to help you make this your place.